Hello, guys! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something absolutely mind-blowing for you. Imagine earning up to $5,000 a month using AI to create content. Yes, you heard that right. Whether you want to start a YouTube channel or launch a blog, AI tools can help you do it faster and easier than ever before. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create content on autopilot using artificial intelligence and make real money doing it. Stick around until the end because you won't want to miss these game-changing tips. First, why is AI such a game-changer in content creation? In 2024, the way we create content is completely evolving. AI allows you to automate tasks that used to take hours, like writing blog posts, generating video scripts, and even creating graphics. You can now focus on growing your channel or blog while AI does the heavy lifting. This means you can produce content more quickly, scale faster, and start earning that $5,000 a month much sooner. Let's dive into how you can use AI to start a YouTube channel. Step 1. Choose a niche. Your niche is crucial. Think about topics that are evergreen and always in demand, like tech reviews, personal finance, or lifestyle. But here's where AI comes in. With tools like ChatGPT, you don't have to spend hours researching. Simply ask AI for video topic ideas and you'll have a list in seconds. Step 2. Video scripts. This is one of the biggest time savers. AI can generate video scripts that are tailored to your chosen niche. You just need to refine them a bit to match your voice, and boom, you've got content ready to record. For example, a video on top 5 AI-powered side hustles can be fully written by ChatGPT in minutes. The trick here is to make the AI your assistant, not the boss. Make sure you add your personal touch to make it relatable. Step 3. AI voiceovers and video creation. Don't want to be on camera? No problem. AI voice generators like Descript or Murf can provide you with natural-sounding voiceovers. All you have to do is upload your script. For visuals, tools like Pictory or InVideo help you create professional-looking videos with stock footage, animations, and text overlays. This is how you can build a YouTube automation channel, where the content is created almost entirely by AI, and your job is just to manage it. Now, if blogging is more your style, AI can be just as powerful. Step 1. Pick your platform. Whether it's WordPress, Wix, or Medium, you'll want to choose a platform that fits your needs. Step 2. Content creation. AI writing tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or WriteSonic are a blogger's best friend. You can generate high-quality blog posts with just a few prompts. For example, you can ask AI to write a how-to guide on personal finance, listicle-style articles, or even product reviews. But remember, while AI-generated content can give you a great head start, you'll need to refine it to keep it engaging, add personal insights, and optimize it for SEO. Step 3. SEO optimization. AI can also help with this. Tools like Surfer SEO or ClearScope will ensure that your blog posts are search engine friendly, helping you rank higher in Google and get more traffic. More traffic means more ad revenue or affiliate commissions, which gets you closer to that $5,000 per month goal. Now, let's talk about making money, the part everyone's waiting for. Step 1. YouTube monetization. Once your YouTube channel reaches 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for YouTube's partner program to earn ad revenue. But you don't have to wait for that. You can start promoting affiliate products in your videos from day one. Sign up for affiliate programs on platforms like Amazon, ShareASale, or ClickBank, and include affiliate links in your video descriptions. Step 2. Blogging income streams. With a blog, you can earn money in a similar way. You can run Google AdSense ads or use an ad network like Ezoic or Mediavine. Affiliate marketing is also key for blogs. Write reviews or guides that include affiliate links, and every time someone clicks through and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Step 3. Diversify your income. Don't rely on just one source of income. Diversify. Combine ad revenue, affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and even digital product sales like ebooks or courses. The more streams of income you have, the faster you'll hit that $5,000 a month target. Finally, if you really want to succeed and hit that $5,000 mark, consistency is everything. Whether you're creating YouTube videos or blog posts, you need to upload consistently, at least once a week. Use tools like Trello or Notion to plan your content schedule in advance. The more content you create, the more chances you have to grow your audience and increase your income. Trust the process, stay consistent, and the results will follow. So there you have it. With AI, you can launch your YouTube channel or blog and be on your way to earning $5,000 a month, all while creating content on autopilot. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tips on how to grow your online income, and drop a comment below with your favorite AI tool for content creation. Let's make 2024 your most profitable year yet.